What is Tor browser? Is it safe to use it? So let's discuss. Tor, short for the Onion Routing Project, is an open-source privacy network that enables anonymous web browsing. The worldwide Tor computer network uses secure, encrypted protocols to ensure that users' online privacy is protected. Tor browser provides multiple layers of security to the users browsing the web through Tor browser. The Tor technology was initially developed and solely used by the US Navy to protect sensitive government communications. The network was later made available to the public as an open-source platform, meaning that Tor's source code is accessible to everyone. Tor lets users customize their privacy settings, although the standard settings are considered to be sufficiently private for average users. So how does the Tor browser work? Tor uses an onion-style routing technique for transmitting data. When you use the Tor browser to digitally communicate or access a website, the Tor network does not directly connect your computer to that website. Instead, the traffic from your browser is intercepted by Tor and bounced to a random number of other Tor users' computers before passing the request to its final website destination. So why should one use Tor browser? Though Tor is best known for its illicit uses, many internet users can have different, valid reasons for accessing the internet via Tor. Tor browser protects us from cyber attacks and keeps us anonymous, so it is used by government agencies to share and store sensitive government information. Illicit organizations, criminals sometimes use Tor to shield or protect their online activities. Private individuals, anyone wishing for more online privacy and better cybersecurity can benefit from the Tor browser. Journalists, activists, and people facing censorship may choose to interact online via Tor. Sites like Silk Road, a Tor-hosted underground marketplace known for facilitating illegal drug sales, garner the most headlines for Tor. But many Tor users have legitimate reasons for wanting to privately browse the web, especially in an era when cybercrime is on the rise. So which browser you use as your daily driver? Will you switch to any privacy-oriented browser after watching this video? Comment down below. Thanks for watching, peace.